President Donald Trump direktang pinagbantaan ang China. Kung hindi titigil ang China na kalabanin ng US at kaalyado nitong bansa tulad ng Taiwan, Australia, Japan at Pilipinas, papatawan ng China ng pinakamabigat na sanksyon, ang 100% dagdag na taripa. Kabuuan o sumatotal na 155 total tariff increase. Gerang pang-ekonomiya nga ang labanan, hindi gerang militar. Inaasahan niyang ito na ang pinakamabigat na sanksyon sa kasaysayan ng mundo.
China's paying 55% and a potential 155% come November 1st unless we make a deal. And again, they will threaten us with rare earths. I don't think they're threatening us too much right now. But they could do that, but I threaten them with something I think is much more powerful, and that's tariffs. Because at a certain point, they will not be able to do any business with us. At a certain point, if they pay enough tariffs, it's almost like saying, we don't want to do business with you, but it's probably nicer. Saying you're going to pay 158, 157% tariff is a nicer way of saying that we don't want to do business with you. And if they don't do business with us, I think China's in big trouble, I'll be honest with you. I think China is, I don't know that they even make it. I really do. I believe that they're in big trouble. And I don't want them to be in big trouble. I want them to do great. I want them to thrive. But we have to thrive together. It's a two-way street. I think when we finish our meetings, and it's going to be a big deal. Look, I'm meeting with a lot of other countries, but this seems to be the one that people are very interested in. I think when we finish our meetings in South Korea, China and I will have a really fair and really great trade deal together.
Dagdag pang babala ni Trump kay Xi Jinping, huwag nang subukan pang lumaban ng China dahil pagsisihan nila pag kinalaban nila ang Amerika. Yung mga gantong babala ni Trump ang pumipigil sa China ng sakupin ang Taiwan at Bajo de Masinloc. Tignan nyo, mag-iisang buwan na simula noong inanunsyo ng China magtatayo sila ng nature reserve sa Scarborough Shoal. Isang buwan na wala pa ding ginagawa ang China. Bantay sarado ng US Navy. Kumpiyansa nga si President Trump na walang gerang mangyayari dahil takot daw ang China. Hindi din daw sasakupin ng China ang Taiwan, kundi makikita nila ang mas malakas pa na bomba kaysa sa ginamit na bomba sa Iran. US daw ang may pinakamalakas na armas sa pandigmaan sa mundo. Kaya mas mabuti na daw kay Xi Jinping kung re-respetuhin nila ang US at susunod ang China sa nais ng Amerika. Itigil na ang pambubuli sa Filipino fisherman, ihinto na ang military drills sa Taiwan at Japan, at wakasan na ang agresibong maniobra sa Australia tuwing dadaan ito sa South China Sea.
The United States is the strongest military power in the world by far. It's not even close. Not even close. We have the best equipment. We have the best of everything, and nobody's going to mess with that. And I don't see that at all with President Xi. I think we're going to get along very well as it pertains to Taiwan and others. Now, that doesn't mean it's not the apple of his eye, because probably it is. But I don't see anything way ahead of China militarily from the standpoint of the sophisticated weapons. We have weapons that a lot of people don't even know about it. I got them started 4 years ago. I rebuilt the military 4 years ago, fortunately, because Biden didn't do anything but give a piece of it away. We have a tremendous power, and that's the power of tariff. And I think that China will come to the table and make a very fair deal. Because if they don't, they're going to be paying us 157% in tariffs. Right now, they're paying 55 to 57%. We'll see what happens. I said, if we don't make a deal, I'm putting on an additional 100% on November 1st.
Wala kang paligoy-ligoy si President Trump sa pagbabanta nito. Ang tanong, papalag kaya si Xi Jinping sa mga balang binitawan ni Trump? Ano sa palagay nyo? I-komento sa baba ang inyong saloobin.